So what's good, YouTube? It's your boy JHAM98_. My name is Jonathan. Y'all used to see me behind the camera. Now I'm in front of the camera. Had to introduce myself real quick. But yeah, in this video right here, I'm going to be explaining the build I'm going to be doing. Building the 5.3 LS, and I'm dropping it into my 1979 Pontiac Catalina. My birthday is coming up on the 17th of this month, so that's what I'm going to do for my birthday. My birthday falls on my off day for work, so I'm going to T&H in Las Vegas, and I'm going to go buy the 5.3 LS. Said it'd be about $600, and it comes with everything except for a wire harness, I believe. So I'm going to go buy that and see what I can come up with. I'm just going to put a cam, stall, and some gears. That's all I'm going to put in there for right now because I'm on a budget. I still live with my parents. I didn't want to build it just for the simple fact that I still live with my parents, but I was talking to my dad. I grew up around cars, and now I got the opportunity to actually put a motor in one and have a little fun over the summertime. I get tired of, riding people over the summer or just standing and watching from the sideline, so I actually want to get in there and intervene with the rest of the crew, So I'm just going to put a stall, cam, and some gears, just enough to burn the tires, a couple donuts, and just to daily drive it, really. I love cars, so yeah, I'll be 21 on the 17th of this month. So if you have anything that involves a LS and you're selling it for cheap and you think it'll be able to help out with this build, let me know, because I'll buy it if I could. But yeah, that's what I want. I'll be 21. So if you got any car parts, family, friends, viewers, subscribers, if y'all got anything that'll help out with this build, let me know. Let me know. I don't want to get drunk. I don't want to get turned. I want to spend my 21st birthday taking the motor apart. Honestly, that's all I want to do. But yeah, let me get to the point to showing y'all what the car actually looks like. Stay tuned. So here's the big 79 right here, y'all. The big 79 Pontiac Catalina. I'm going to put the 5.3 in this big car and see what it can do for me. This big car weighs 4,600 pounds. 4,600 pounds. But that ain't nothing. We're gonna make it move. I ain't trying to race it. I'm trying to do none of that. I know that's ugly right here. I actually got this piece in the garage. I just didn't want to put it on because people in Vegas drive kind of crazy. That's how that happened. Happened on the freeway. But yeah, this motor has done its job. It's time to be retired. This 301 is whooped. When I say whooped, it is whooped. The carburetor is horrible. I put $10 a day in this car. I know y'all probably wondering, like, why $10 a day? Because 50 go just as fast as the 10. So I might as well keep my little 40 bucks. I might not want to go nowhere the next day. But yeah, this car drinks gas like crazy. The inside of this motor is like crazy dirty. It's like so glunky looking. But it's been doing this job. This car got 215,000 miles on it, I believe, and it's still pushing. I be all on the freeway. It gets me back and forth to work. I make groceries in it sometimes. I even go out with my girl sometimes in it. She don't mind. That's why I love her so much, because she ain't stuck up. It ain't about the looks to her. But this is how the inside of the car look. Got some wires hanging. That's another story. But yeah, well, it's 215,000 miles on it. But yeah, I gotta get the dash on a different dash or something like that. If that works, I'll keep it, but oh well. But yeah, this is how it looks on the inside. Got my backpack back there for work. Got the bleach for my dog. I be bleaching the backyard down. My girl heels. We be going out sometime. I gotta get all this up out of here. My shoes, sweaters. But yeah, this is actually the car. So this is what the 5.3 is going in. This is scrap down right here. I love it though. I love it to death. I drove it to school. I had a couple people talking about me, but it's better than the car note. Simple as that. Simple as that. Better than the car note. I'm just gonna put the 5.3 in here with the cam, stall, and gears. Probably a nice sound system, and call it a day. Paul's got some rims in the garage he told me I could have, so I might just throw those on there. I'm really not a person who, y'all get what I'm saying. I really don't be caring. Now look, this is my dad's car. This is a 1977 Pontiac Bonneville. This is his car. He actually got a motor to his car. He started it, well, he started the car, but he stopped. Y'all can see He started painting it a little bit. It's like greenish. A little gold going through it, but he took the motor out and everything, but he stopped it. We had even put a sunroof on here. We did this when I was in high school. I was a freshman in high school. That was 2012. I was a freshman. He was doing good, but then he gave up on it. He got a 455 he put in here. I think he said it should be pushing 550 horses. He just got to drop it in there. He got everything to the motor. He just got to put it in and stop being lazy. But that's a whole different story. That's coming. That's coming. It's coming. But right now, we on this beauty right here. We on this beauty. This is the twin brother right here. See, look, check it out. This is scrap down though. Mine's the scrap down. His is luxury. He got power windows, tilt steering wheel. He got the whole shebang. But me, I got the scrap down, roll down windows. I ain't got no power seats. I got a bench seat. I'm all messed up. But it's cool. But y'all stay tuned for this, cause it's coming. I'm gonna have this big thing woke. I'm thinking about a 3K stall, probably some 373 gears, some 410 gears. Still deciding, but let me know any cam specs that you guys like and will recommend for a daily driver. Or, you know, Texas Speed, BTR, Summit, whatever. Let me know and drop down some tips in the description, in the comment box. Drop down some tips and let me know what y'all think and what I should put inside the motor to actually pep it up some. But thank you, y'all stay tuned. Got another video coming on the 17th. Bear with me, cause it's gonna be a nice build. I'm building everything out of that garage right there. I've never built a motor. This is my first time. I'm gonna see what I can come up with. You gotta try. If you don't try, you never know what you could do. So I'm gonna put myself to the test.